Welcome to Engineers Academy. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive the notification for the upcoming videos.
We are going to solve this sample problem 2.7. So in this problem, this rigid structural member is subjected to this couple, right? And in this problem it is said that replace this couple by an equivalent couple consisting of the two forces P, right, and inclined at some angle theta. So we need to find this equivalent couple for this given couple, right? So determine the proper angle theta, right? And the magnitude of P is also given, right? So each of which has a magnitude of 400 Newton. So each P is 400 Newton, right? And this couple is given, right? So the original couple. So let's suppose if I write the original couple moment is, let's suppose if I write M original, right? So it will be 100 multiplied by the perpendicular distance between the two. So this distance is in millimeter, it's given, right? So we will write 100 divided by 1000, right? So what we will get? So this is 10 Newton meters, right? And what is the direction of this? So if we see, so this is counterclockwise, right? So this is counterclockwise couple, right? And the magnitude is 10 Newton meter. So now if I resolve this P into its component, so then we will have this component, right, and the other component will be in this direction. So right, so then these two components are, these are the cos components, right? So this component is P cos of theta, right? So if we write the moment of this equivalent P, so let me write that moment equivalent. So this will be P cos of theta into the perpendicular distance between these two components. So the perpendicular distance is 40, right? So if I write 40 divided by 1000, right? So this will be the equivalent moment, right? So if we equate these, moment original and moment equivalent, right? So we can write it like this: moment equivalent is moment original. So I will write P, so this equation, so P is 400 cos of theta, and this will be 0.04, right, equals to 10. So cos of theta will be equal to 10 divided by 400 into 0.04. And if we take the inverse of this, we will get theta. So the angle comes out to be 51.3 degrees, right? So now when this P force of magnitude 400 Newton is applied at 51.3 degrees, so then this couple will be equivalent to this couple, right? And the direction of this equivalent couple will also be a clockwise, right? So we can see here, so this is also producing clockwise couple. The next sample problem is 2.8. So in this problem it is said that replace the horizontal 80 pound force. So this is the horizontal 80 pound force and we need to replace this. And this 80 pound force is acting on the lever by an equivalent system consisting of a force at O and a couple. So we want to replace this force into a force couple system, right? So what we will do, so we will draw a force in opposite direction of the same magnitude at point O. So what we will do, we will draw a force of 80 pounds at this point and the direction will be opposite, right? And then what we will do, this will be equal to 80 pounds, and in order to not disturb the net effect of this force, so what we will do, we will apply another force in the opposite direction, right? So we will apply this force and this will be also 80 pounds, right? So we will not disturb the whole system, right? So both of these forces should cancel out each other and this force should remain, right? So now as we can see that this force and this force, they are coupled, right? And how much is the moment produced by this couple? So if I solve this, so let me write moment about O, or I should write moment, and that will be 80 and the perpendicular distance between these two forces. So what will be the perpendicular distance? So this will be the perpendicular distance. If I draw, this will be the perpendicular distance. So now we are given this 9 inch and this angle is also given. So this perpendicular distance will be 9 sine of 60 degrees, right? So if I write 9 inch sine of 60 degrees, so we will get this moment. So this couple comes out to be 624 pound inch, right? And as here we can see that the direction is counterclockwise. So we can write this like this, counterclockwise, right? And the symbol could be like this, or the symbol could be like this, right? So this is the symbol for counterclockwise, and this is also the symbol for counterclockwise. And how we will represent this force couple system? So we will represent it like this, right? So this will be that 80 pound force, right? And this will be that couple about O. So this is the equivalent force couple system for this given system. Next we are going to solve this problem 259. So in this problem it says that compute the combined moment of the two 90 pound forces about point O and point A, right? So we will first find the moment about point O. So moment about O will be equal to, right? So as we can see that this force is producing clockwise moment. This is also producing clockwise moment, right? So let me write that the clockwise moment is positive. So we will write 90, and the perpendicular distance of 90 from point O is this 4 inch. We will write 4. And then we will write plus 90, and the perpendicular distance of this 90 force is 12, right? So we will write 12. So when we solve this, so this equals to 1440 pound inches, and the direction is clockwise, right? Similarly, if I find the moment about point A, so then what will be there? So moment about, so it will be 90, and the perpendicular distance of this 90 from point A is 8, and similarly this 90 and the perpendicular distance of this 90 from point A is also 8, right? So this will also be equal to 1440 pound inch, and the direction is clockwise. And now if we find the couple of these two forces, so then moment, right? So then that moment will be equal to 90 and the perpendicular distance between these two forces. So the perpendicular distance between these two forces is 16, right? So then again, if we multiply both of these, so what we will get? We will get 1440 pound inch clockwise, right? And what will be the symbol? This could be the symbol, right? This is clockwise, or this could be the symbol for the direction. Now we are going to solve this problem 260. So in this problem it is said that replace this 12 kilonewton force which is acting at 30 degree. So we need to replace this force by a force coupled system, first at point O and then at point B, right? So let me solve this for point O, right? So point O. So what we will do is that we will replace this force with an opposite acting force parallel to this force, right? So this will be making 30 degrees with the horizontal, right? And then we should draw one another force that should be in the opposite direction in order to cancel the effect of this additional force. So then this 12 kilonewton force and this 12 kilonewton force will produce a couple. So what will be the magnitude of that couple? So let's suppose if I write moment about point O, right? So then that will be equal to 12 kilonewton into the perpendicular distance. So what is the perpendicular distance? So if I draw, so then this will be the perpendicular distance between these two forces, right? So now as we can see that if I, let's suppose, write that this is point C, so then using this triangle OAC, so this angle is 30 degree and the hypotenuse of this triangle is 30 degree and this is 90 degree, so this OC is the perpendicular. So let's suppose if this is the distance D, perpendicular distance, so then this D is the sine component of this 4 meter. So I can write that D is 4 sine of 30 degrees, right? So we can find this. So then moment about O due to this couple will be 12 kilonewton into 4 sine of 30 degrees, right? So then this will be equal to 24 kilonewton meters. And what will be the direction? So as we can see that this is producing clockwise and this is also producing clockwise moment, so the direction is clockwise, or this direction, right? So now we need to draw that force couple system. So if I draw that here, so let's suppose if this is positive x and this is positive x and this is positive y axis, right? So then the system will look like this. So then this is the clockwise moment. So what we will do, we will draw it like this, and we will write the magnitude. So the magnitude is 12 kilonewton meter, and then what we will do, we will also draw that force. So this will be that force, and the magnitude of this force is 12 kilonewton, and it should be acting at 30 degree with the positive x-axis, right? So this given system is replaced by force couple system like this, right? So this is the solution for the first part about point O, right? So now we will do the solution for the B part. So at point B, so I will write at point B. So now we will draw again the same force in opposite direction. Now we will replace this force system by a force couple system at point B. So let me write that at point B, right? So then what we will do, we will draw an equivalent force in opposite direction. So I will draw this force, this will be in the opposite direction, and the angle of this force, this should be 12 kilonewton, and it should be acting at 30 degree with the horizontal, right? So let me draw that horizontal line. So let's suppose if this is that horizontal line, so this angle is 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees with the horizontal, right? And the perpendicular distance between these two forces. So let me join this this B point or this A point with B. So let me join this. And we also need to draw another force in the opposite direction. So what we will do, we will draw this force also, and these forces should be in one line. These two forces should be collinear, right? And the magnitude of this should also be equal to 12 kilonewton. And this is the perpendicular distance between the two. Why this is the perpendicular? As we see, this angle is 30 degrees, and as a whole, if this is perpendicular with this, so then this means that this angle should be 90. So then this will be 60 degrees, right? And if this is 60, so this should also be 60 degrees, right? So both of this is also perpendicular, so the sum of these should be equal to 90 degree, and this angle is 30 degrees, right? So now as we can see that we have this triangle OAB, so we can find this D distance, right? So now if we want to find the magnitude of the couple at B, so we will write couple at B will be equal to 12 kilonewton into the perpendicular distance. So we will use the Pythagoras theorem. So this is the base and this is the perpendicular. So we will write 4 square plus 5 square under the root, right? So this will give us approximately 77 kilonewton meter, and as we can see that the direction, so this is producing clockwise and this is also producing clockwise, so the direction will be clockwise, right, or in this direction. Now let me draw that force couple system. So I will remove these, and I will also remove this force, and we will draw that couple, right? So this will be that 77 kilonewton meter, right? So this force could be replaced by this force couple system at this point B, right? So this is the representation of that force couple system.